Hi, I am Mira Kivisto from Conteoi. I have a Master of Science in Business Administration and over 20 years of experience in business development. Now I have developed the Fit for Future workshop, which helps even small companies ensure that they are capable of succeeding in the future. The Fit for Future workshop is based on the globally used development and change management framework, the EFQM model. I have been using the model to support development for 15 years, and I'm also a certified EFQM assessor and trainer. I have also acted as an assessor in the Finnish Quality Award competition several times, the criteria of which is the EFQM model. A wide group of people working in different positions in the company participate in the Fit for Future workshop. They do not need to have knowledge of the framework, but only of their own field of work and its development. As an experienced facilitator, I prepare the workshop themes one by one, after which the participants identify their own company's strengths and areas for development related to the theme in question. Once the company's operations have been reviewed in terms of the different themes, a summary of the key strengths and areas for development is made, after which the development areas are prioritized. The final result of the Fit for Future workshop is the creation of company milestones for improving performance. In addition, the personnel are more committed to building the company's sustainable future. Is your company fit for future?